Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable notification snooze on this device. Simply go to the settings, tap on notifications. So here you can see the option advanced settings, tap on this one. Here you can see the option show snooze button. Turn on this option and go to the notification panel. So here you can see I got two messages. If you swipe slightly, okay, here you can see one arrow button, tap on this one. Here you can see that snooze icon. If you tap on this one, you can snooze this from 15 minutes to 2 minutes. So from here, you need to select the snooze duration. Okay. So simply in this way, we can enable notification snooze on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.